Hi everyone, welcome to Jason's presentation about artificial intelligence and technical communication. At the end of 2014, Amazon introduced the Alexa voice services, Alexa, which according to Amazon's developer page, is an intelligent voice recognition and natural language understanding service that allows you to voice enable any connected device that has a microphone and speaker. With the activation code Alexa, Alexa can perform basic tasks such as reporting weather, playing music, as well as dim the light, lock doors, and various tests. According to the industry estimate, by the end of 2016, Amazon sold roughly 11 million Echo devices, which are Alexa built-in speakers. Earlier in 2018, users of Alexa have reported Alexa built-in devices were laughing at unexpected and unwanted times. Alexa was found randomly laughing without any order, which terrified a lot of Alexa users as well as the public. Amazon responded in an email statement that, in rare circumstances, Alexa can mistakenly hear the phrase Alexa laugh. Whether this statement sounds reasonable or acceptable or not, this time, when Alexa started to activate by itself and laugh without order, Amazon alerted people about the potential risks behind the AI products. When talking about ethics in artificial intelligence, what people generally talk about is the safety of this new technology that is changing the world. How can users make sure their AI products are doing exactly and only what is asked? If somehow AI system doesn't follow the order, who takes the blame? The concerns are the security and ownership of the data, which in another word, privacy. Selfie briefly positioned technical communication in the article that technical communication aims at breaking boundaries between the sciences and humanities, the workplace, and academic. However, after I have done some research, I found that Alexa's users were not involved in decision making when it comes to the privacy issue. To make our digital life more convenient, it seems like tech companies have run up against a familiar ethical dilemma that it's hard to deliver convenience without sacrificing privacy and security. The reason I think it is a technical communication issue is that tech companies nowadays are not breaking the boundaries, but adding more by not being transparent and not involving audience in decision making. As technical communicators, we are supposed to be the bridge connecting the business, engineers, and customers together, and create an environment which different groups can communicate effectively. And I think tech companies misunderstood about usefulness and effectiveness. Instead of breaking the boundaries, it creates more boundaries and more misunderstanding. In the article about distributing memory, the author mentioned that usefulness is a value users experience and it is not the same as using an application more easily. To apply it here, I think what was missing is that Alexa designers made the decision to sacrifice privacy and transparency without considering what their users really want. As technical communicators, it is our responsibility to maximize the transparency between companies, employees, and users. We should be more involved in the system designing process and be the voice of different parties. For example, when designing the products, we need to make sure there's a self-protection kind of solution that can prevent data leakage. And we need to make sure the public is aware of the risk and the solution, and then users can make their own choices and decisions that they are comfortable with. Human has gone to a point which we frequently interact with machines as if they are human. We rely on this new self-learning technology to make our decisions. We trust these intelligent products as if they are a loyal family member. Companies try to avoid relating negative information to their products, but the concerns are there, and people will eventually realize these concerns. It is, of course, going to be easy to sacrifice privacy and transparency when developing AI products. However, this is the new responsibility for us to have the courage to slow down the process and think about how these products can truly benefit our society. So here comes to the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.